Sri Dr. L. Hanmantaya.
Thank you very much, sir. Sir, there are about 18 classical languages in the world. Sanskrit is one among them. In India, we have 6 classical languages. Sanskrit is, along with Greek, Latin, classical Arabic, classical Persian, classical Chinese, Hebrew, Sumerian, Egyptian, Babylonian, Mandaic, Syriac, Armenian, Japanese, Icelandic, Gaelic, classical English, and Turkish. These are all the classical languages of the world. In India, we have about 6 languages, including Sanskrit, sir. That is Kannada, Telugu, Malayalam, Odisha, and Sanskrit also, Tamil and Sanskrit also. Tamil and Sanskrit. Sir, Kannada classical language has been granted in the year 2008, sir. I wanted to ask the minister, when
Please.
I was the development...
Please, कृपया पीछे बैठकर आपस में बात ना करें. Please, I'll just please.
Sir, when I
like
was
this. It's not
the
proper.
Kannada Development
Please,
Authority
take your
chairman
seat.
in Karnataka, we have led a delegation to grant autonomy to the classical language of Kannada, and many delegations have come. So far, I request the Honorable Minister, as on date, the autonomy has not been granted to Kannada language so far. Sir, I just request you, what is the problem in granting an autonomy to a classical language which has been granted in the year 2008 and so far? What is the problem? Sir, on the other hand, you have taken lot of interest in making the deemed universities of Sanskrit into the central universities. Sir, I am not against any language, sincerely. Let us develop every language. In the other house, you have said, Ek Bharat, Shrestha Bharat. Sir, I fully agree with you. Ek Bharat and Shrestha Bharat will happen when? When only Sanskrit develops, will it become Ek Bharat and Shrestha Bharat? All the Indian languages has to develop. We must respect all the Indian languages, then only the Shrestha Bharat will come into the existence. Sir, I wanted to bring it to your kind notice. Sir, how many Sanskrit departments in the country working in different universities? Sir, I have the information. In many of the universities, there are 2 students and 20 professors. Sir, this is the state of affairs in the country. And in many universities, the Sanskrit department has closed because there are no students. Sir, under this condition, yes, if you want to develop Sanskrit, I have no objection. Make an international standard university of Sanskrit, develop the language, and say that this is our ancestral legacy that we are developing. We have absolutely no objection. But why are you converting all the university into central universities, sir? There are, see, can you not see the other universities in this country? Sir, about 1.65 lakh people are working on contract basis in almost all the universities in this country. Sir, when such is a condition, you are telling the reason these universities not been filled with assistant professors, right? But are the not other universities are not the universities of this country and under your department, sir? So this is my question. Sir, I wanted to ask you one more question. In these 3 universities, how many students are studying and what are the posts sanctioned and how will you going to fill up those sanctioned posts? Sir, I have the information. There are no people who are eligible to become professors and assistant professors in the country. That is the position. When such is the case, why are you converting all the universities into central universities? Please look at the other universities. Sir, I have a very important point.
One more speaker. Please conclude
Two more points, sir. Sir, the scholarship developed in the Indian languages is much, much more than the Sanskrit language. I can tell you with authority, there is no doubt about it. But you are developing, you are interested to develop Sanskrit, I have no objection. See, very recent study says, out of 150 world-class universities, not even a single university of India is figuring.
Please, I'll invite other speaker now. Please,
when such is the case, why do you go for such activities, sir? Please look at all the universities equal and make Sanskrit also at par with other languages of India, sir. Thank you very much.
Dr. Subramaniam Swamy.